We see in these two verses, the two sections of the opening of Canto 2, the full cycle of the year. It says that the year comes around again and the seasons succeeded each after the other. And that full cycle of the year itself is part of the imagery of the sun hero that Gawain represents. We'll see this sun imagery develop further in this canto. But here the whole year has come around again, and despite all the feasting and the putting it off until later, it becomes obvious that Gawain has to go off on this trip, this journey, this quest to find the Green Chapel. And as it says, one season succeeds to the next. The spring succeeding to the summer, to the fall, and then finally to the winter. This microcosm of the year, the single individual year, is in some ways an allegory for the macrocosm of one person's life. The seasons of each individual life are also the seasons of childhood, and then the adulthood, and then the seasoned individual, and then the senior citizen. And so you have, even in the individual life, the 4 different succeeding seasons that are represented here in the course of the year. Gawain himself is experiencing just 1 year's rotation, which is the symbol of the sun hero. But it also represents, I think, the fact that every human being eventually has to face that quest, that imminent doom that Gawain is going to have to face. Because when he sets off here on his quest, he's going to be setting off not on some fun jaunt or aventure. He's setting off knowing he's going to die, because at the end of it, he's going to have his head cut off. And unlike the Green Knight, when his head gets cut off, he won't survive. So in this opening, we have the year coming around again, and Gawain is ready to set off on his quest. And in the next section, we'll see him arming for his adventures. We'll turn to that now.